all. I'm J. Teja Gaurav, grade 9. Welcome all of you to Special Assembly. The theme for today's assembly is Workers' Day. Now I call my friend Monish and Shivamani to share the significance of Workers' Day.
Today, we celebrate International Labour Day all over the world. The International Workers' Day is also known as Labour Day. Some countries refer it as Workers' Day and most commonly references as the May Day. The day is the celebration of labor and working classes who was promoted by the International Labour Movement, which occurs every year's 1st May.
Early in the 19th century, most 10 to 12 hours every day and 6 days in every week. It was 1850 when they brought a strong push to reconstruct the condition.
The demands of the workers were for an 8-hour work every day and a 48-hour work instead of 60-hour every week. As a result, the government grants to an 8-hour day for workers employed on public works with no loss of pay.
Thank you, friends, for sharing the importance of today's theme. Now I call Arjun to share a quote on this Workers' Day.
Work is not man's punishment, it is his reward and his strength and his pleasure.
Thank you, Arjun. Really, it's a wonderful thought shared. Now let's call our friend Hajira Sultana to sing a song on today's theme.
काम बड़ा हो या छोटा हो मेहनत तो रंग लाती है हर इंसान के जीवन में एक नई सुबह भी आती है काम बड़ा हो या छोटा हो मेहनत तो रंग लाती है हर इंसान के जीवन में एक नई सुबह भी आती है ना चोरी ना झूठ बोल कर दिल को दुखाती है ना चोरी ना झूठ बोल कर दिल को दुखाती है जैसे भी हो अरे जैसे भी हो जैसे भी हो जैसे भी हो हम दुनिया के काम तो आते हैं जैसे भी हो हम दुनिया के काम तो आते हैं थैंक यू
Thank you, Hajira Sultana. It was really an awesome performance. We would like to dedicate this song on behalf of our school DPSG, heartfully to all the workers on this day. Last but not the least, we thank all the frontline workers on this day for working day and night by making sacrifices and for saving our life. It is more than a year. Our frontline workers throughout the world are working so much hard for better living. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.